Every time I visit a new city, I try my best to not let my travel plans disrupt my daily habits. To commit to a healthy, active lifestyle while traveling, I do my best to do 3 things during every trip. Eat at least one new healthy dish from the destination, try a new skincare product or wellness product from the city, and integrate mindfulness into physical activity by doing a long mindful walk. New York City in particular has the most Michelin-starred Japanese restaurants outside of Japan. How has New York City become known for its high-quality Japanese restaurants? It may have been due to the economic growth in Japan throughout the 70s and 80s. As the economy grew in Japan throughout the 1970s and 1980s, more Japanese companies started to do business in the United States. With more business people and expats from Japan working and staying in the United States, more Japanese restaurants started opening to accommodate the business people and expats from Japan. Additionally, many Japanese companies started to invest in opening Japanese restaurants in the United States. Toyota, for example, invested in opening the American branch of a famous Japanese restaurant in the iconic Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York City. The economic boom in Japan throughout the 1970s and 1980s may have contributed to the rise of Japanese restaurants in New York City. We are so lucky there are still so many great Japanese restaurants in New York City. One of my favorite Japanese restaurants in New York City is Nonono. Nonono is in Midtown Manhattan, and it's in between Empire State Building and Madison Square Park. Nonono is located near East 30th and Madison. It's a great restaurant that offers high-quality Japanese comfort foods. One of my favorite dishes there is the tuna sashimi with jalapeno sauce. Sashimi means pierced body in Japanese, and sashimi is a Japanese delicacy that ultimately consists of raw fish. Raw fish is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help enhance our brain health and heart health. It helps improve memory. It helps fight against inflammation in our cardiovascular system. Sashimi is a great nutritious food that you can find in most Japanese restaurants. And it won't be hard to find a great Japanese restaurant in New York City. When I was in New York, I got to pick up this cream. This cream is Walgreens Advanced Moisturizing Cream, and it's a great dupe for CeraVe's Moisturizing Cream. Its color scheme is even the same as CeraVe's color scheme, and its ingredients list is pretty similar to CeraVe's. I like how this cream has the 3 essential ceramides that CeraVe has as well. Ceramide is great for moisturizing the skin. It's my second favorite moisturizing ingredient. My number 1 favorite moisturizing ingredient is urea, and I find urea is the best ingredient for moisturizing my eczema prone skin. My skin is super dry, sensitive, and eczema prone, and I find that this cream is pretty gentle on my skin. I didn't get a bad reaction to it. It's fragrance free. It has ceramides and hyaluronic acids. Both are great for making your skin softer. The travel size version of this cream is more affordable than the travel size version of CeraVe. I got this for about $5.99 US at Walgreens, and I recommend this product. I love how New York City is one of the few most walkable cities in the United States. As a designated friend who insists on walking everywhere, I've once walked for 29 kilometers in a single day during one of my trips to New York. Although New York City is known to be an urban jungle, there are beautiful green spaces and many ways you can experience nature in the city. One of the most accessible ways to experience nature in New York City is to visit the iconic Central Park between the Upper East Side and Upper West Side. If you can squeeze in a visit to the Met nearby after visiting Central Park, this is one of the best places where you can practice mindfulness at. The act of looking at art can motivate us to stay present in the moment, solely focus on the artwork in front of us, and pay attention to the sensations we feel as a result of viewing the art. Mindfulness meditation ultimately enables us to focus on the present moment without judging it. Viewing art in nature while walking can be one of the most effective ways we can practice mindfulness.